What's up guys, my name's Alex and welcome to the Pick Tsunami channel. So today we're actually going to be doing some rim polishing. So I got some aluminum rims on my 1990 Honda Accord and I feel like it'd be a great opportunity to spruce up a really old car and kind of give it a new feel. Like the ones I have at the moment, they're kind of not that great. They kind of dulled over time. I don't know if the aluminum was just going bad on it, you know, because like, well, it is like almost a 30-year-old car. So I found a way by going through the forums of CB7 tuner that I can polish those rims up and make them look nice. So I'm gonna do that today. I've already did one maybe like a week ago and it's turned out pretty well. So let's go do the other ones. So this is one I've already did, and to be honest, really dirty at the time I'm in right now, but it's not that bad compared to this one, which is super dull. You can tell this is the actual rim polished, I guess, and this is it kind of dull. So we're gonna fix that. I'm gonna do it on the car this time. So I want to let you know that you could definitely do this with it off the car, but since I'm trying to save time and not kind of remove it and go with it, I'm gonna do it on the car. So it's a possibility, just letting you know. So I'm gonna be using this 2000 grit sandpaper. So the higher the grit, like the finer it is, and the lower the grittier it is. So this is gonna be perfect just to get rid of like that hazy look on the aluminum. And then if I really want to go hardcore deep with it, I'd use a 3000, but like it cost me like $8 for this one like tiny slab of it. Then I want to finish up using the magnet aluminum polish. So this is what's gonna like give it like shine. It's gonna be really awesome. And then pair that with this attachment right here that goes on the drill itself, because I don't have a polishing wheel. I'm also gonna be using this like car wax too to finish it up, just to make sure it's like a little more protected than it was previously, because I'm using sandpaper. And that's it. Let's get started. So the first step is to clean your rims. So mine are super grimy, and all I did was get some dish soap and some water and knock them out. I personally didn't do the spokes because they're really hard to get to, but if you really want to clean the spokes, it's easier to go from behind the rim than the front. After you clean them, now it's time to wet sand them. So what I did was I used the soap and water that I used as a lubricant for the sanding. People predominantly prefer using just water, but this works for me. You do this until you're personally satisfied. You're looking for like a dull finish. Don't forget the spokes and the outside of the rim. Just don't get your tire, if possible. The reason why I'm using 2000 grit sandpaper instead of anything coarser is because if you go in a little closer to the rim, you see these lines that are still on the rim itself. I kind of like the lines, so I wanted to keep them and not sand them down completely and still keep that nice shine look. But you definitely can just polish the hell out of those things and get rid of them. But that's just my insight. Now that you're satisfied with your sanding, now you wait until it dries off. Either you wait, or you can do what I did and use a leaf blower. Kind of just speeds up the whole process. Now it comes to shine. So now you want to grab your polish and toss it on the rim. You can either apply it to the pad itself or the rim, but personally I like doing the rim because now I have a solid surface and it's not going to run out of any polish material whatsoever. Because the last thing you want to do is use your sponge on a dry rim. It's because you want to keep it lubricated, but you can take this advice on other situations if you wanted to. So 2-3 passes later, and I found I'm satisfied with what I see. Now I'm going to toss on the wax. And the reason why we're putting wax is put a barrier between it and the sun. You don't want the rim dulling out again like it was previously, and you don't want to do it twice, do you? And that's it guys, it's ready to go. If you're not satisfied with the shine, just rewash it with the dish soap to remove the wax and keep polishing it. But that's going to be it for me guys. So if you like what you saw, like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Later.